Hi there, students. A meme. A countable noun. Well, I'm sure you all know a meme as some sort of picture with maybe a funny caption underneath that spreads through internet. A humorous picture with a few words underneath it, and people start sharing it. So, for example, the grumpy cat meme. There's a photo of a cat that looks really grumpy and upset. And this went viral in internet. And that is a meme. But a meme is just a lot more than just a picture in internet that goes viral. A meme can be an idea, a style, a behavior, a sound that spreads through a culture. So, for example, the smiley face. This is a meme. Someone used it and then suddenly everybody was using it. So, a meme is not just a picture with a caption. It's a picture with a caption that goes viral. It's a picture with a caption that many people, many different people start to use. So, for example, I guess psychedelic colours are a meme from the 1960s. Da 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 da, da 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 da. This is a Beethoven meme. If you know a little bit of classical music, you'll know the reference to it. So a meme is any unit of cultural information that is transmitted. It's spread. It could be spread verbally or visually or in any way from one person to the next, and it spreads among the group of people. So the word meme itself was first used by Richard Dawkins in his book The Selfish Gene, and he's drawing parallels between the way a gene transmits information and the way it can mutate and change, and this cultural element, a meme, that can be transmitted, it can mutate, it moves among society. Okay, so there's a parallel in the meme with biological evolution. So I guess if lots of people all start wearing the same type of trainer, this is a meme. Or maybe you could say being a vegan is a meme. Hi there, students. If lots of people started using that phrase, that would become a meme. So it's something cultural that spreads through society. So, for example, there's a phrase with magpies: 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl. So whenever I see a single magpie, the folklore is that if you tip your hat 3 times to the single magpie on its own, you avoid the bad luck. So one of my memes is tipping an imaginary hat when I see a magpie, and there are lots of other people who do that as well. This is a cultural meme that has passed down the ages. So a meme can be almost anything, something that we do habitually, that has been spread from one person to another. So what about formality? I would say this word meme is a 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere, informally and formally. And then the origin, well, Richard Dawkins took it from Mimeme, the word mimeme, which comes from the ancient Greek mimos, an imitation or a copy. Okay, so a meme, a cultural unit that spreads through a society. Not everyone uses, but many people use it, and it either has some sort of significance, it has some sort of idea or concept associated with it. It's not just a funny picture with a caption. It's a lot more. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Meme.